Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are discussing about mobile phone camera and how we use it in a two type of pictures and videos. One is a simple picture which is taken from more than 4 centimeter of a distance of the object, and the other is a focus cam in a mobile phone. So we discuss about it. First of all, I am going to open a mobile phone camera, and now this is the simple mobile view which is more than 4 centimeter away from the laptop keyboard. The mobile phone picture is very clear. This is very clear. Now if I take the same type of camera pic from near the object, so it become a blur. It's not a good quality of a picture. This quality of a mobile phone picture is not good. Now I changed the view of mobile, so it is very clear. And if I far away this camera for more than 4 centimeter, so the picture become a blur, and I near the mobile keyboard 4 centimeter, so it is very clear. It's not a blur, and the quality of picture is very good. And it is also called super micro. Micro should work best with a focal distance of 4 centimeter. So this is the two type of camera. Now we start a video. In video, a micro cam does not work. It is always blur near than 4 centimeter of a mobile phone. A video, we are starting from away from the object of a mobile phone. So this is our today video. So like and comment on the video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. This is a super night view.